Promote slow fashion, to promote sustainable fashion. So all our pieces are actually made from sustainable, recycled or organic materials. My name is Nika and I'm founder of sustainable activewear brand called EAUTY. We just launched our brand a year ago. It's a new brand and the idea is to spread awareness about sustainability, to create pieces that are going to be how it's called slow fashion, and to promote slow fashion, to promote sustainable fashion. So all our pieces are actually made from sustainable, recycled or organic materials. They all sustainably made with fair trade and in sustainably minded factories. So we just have one line now. It's a yoga wear, and now we're working on our new line. It's a more casual everyday wear, and it's for women. Our brand also represents a woman power, and our priority is comfortability. EAUTY is actually translated as naked peach. Peach because it should be soft like a peach, it should be feeling like a peach. And naked because we are transparent to you. We want to show how we make our clothes to customers, what it's made of, and all this kind of process. And that's why I found your factory actually on Instagram. And I was looking for factories that make low MOQ, because for me one of steps of sustainable fashion is small quantity of product. Because if you have a lot of product, it's already not sustainable. You made a lot of product, maybe some not sales, then you push this product to sell to people. And our idea is still to be slow-minded, to not to promote to buy more, but if you need it, to buy it sustainably, buy it like more better quality and more better materials. So we was looking for a low MOQ factory that is also sustainably minded. They can help us to find the best sustainable options that we have on market. And then I found your factory, and I think we really feed our minds, and you can help us to grow our brand even bigger and to spread sustainability. We are working now with a factory from actually, I think they're Hong Kong company, and we're pretty satisfied with factory actually, but they're a huge factory, and we are looking for someone smaller, not smaller, but who can work with us more a small quantity, and who can help us to find a better solution for us. So that's why we found a factory. I think it can be a better match. And actually it's hard to find in China small quantity who can produce sustainable product for you. It's usually sustainable materials, recycled or organic, going in very big quantities. We have our first collection. It's actually timeless pieces, yoga wear in timeless colors. And next collection we want to do more like limited edition. So it's less quantity, maybe more interesting designs. Yeah. So we can update our lines more often and keep it more limited. And next line gonna be a casual wear. It's gonna be a sweatpants, it's gonna be a hoodies, a sweatshirt, and for women. So this line gonna represent comfort and beauty together, and also of course sustainability, as it's our main selling point and main idea, what we believe in. Our main selling point is sustainable production, sustainable materials, and second one is women empowerment. So we are a woman brand made by women for women, and we want to make comfortable clothing that maybe don't make you skinnier, or make you someone you're not, but make you feel confident and comfortable with who you are. Yeah. And we want to create clothing that's gonna help you empower yourself as a woman. I was pretty surprised because I just told you my idea, and you guys helped me to find exactly what I needed and what I was looking for. It was sustainable material, it was soft and peach, what I was looking for, and I think that really suits what I want to create, and it's really helped me because now I have more clear understanding what I'm looking for, how to move forward, so it's pretty good.